So the final one in line and sent off quickly. Whatever races at the back with Smarty Tradition, Royal Aviator now beginning to pick up. Ride with the Mob also toward the back. But they're sorting themselves out on the far side and make their way now toward the final 5/8. And it's Alexa Star who grabs a slim lead. Mother Nature moving up to test. Billy Joe right there almost forming the line of 3. Tradition in between horses. Royal Aviator on the rail close to those leaders. Fearless Treblab right there too. And just about 5 lengths separates that bunch. Smarty Tradition now asked to make gains as they leave the half mile. Ride with the Mob is a further 2 1/4 lengths back ahead of Whatever, and the trailer is My Mum Just. 3 furlongs remaining in the first event. Dane Nelson guides Mother Nature along. They lead by some 2 lengths. Billy Joe now asked to cut into it. Alexa Star is on the rail. Tradition shaken up for run and beginning to make gains, but Mother Nature will bring them into the lane. They're at the top of it, and it's the grey Mother Nature and Dane Nelson, a 1/4 mile to catch them. Can they do that? He quickly changes his hold. He's a busy man, Dane, and Mother Nature continues to respond by holding a commanding advantage. Tradition is left back in the distance in second. Smarty Tradition looks to be third over on the rail. Ride with the Mob asked to come on late, but this Mother Nature and Dane Nelson are in complete control. Inside the final 16th, it's all Mother Nature and Magnificent Dane easing down in the end. They win by 8 or more. It's tight. Could be Ride with the Mob over Smarty Tradition, and My Mum Just. Complete control. Inside the final 16th, it's all Mother Nature and Magnificent.